What if we do the same thing that they did when they got rid of Roe versus Wade?
Now it's time for me to put the nerd hat on for a second. Because we would be remiss without talking about this, because it's currently, July 9th, 2025. The allegedly big, beautiful bill, or as it's been called, the big, beautiful bullshit, has gone through and has been signed into law by President Donald Trump. Now, we did not get the elimination of silencers and the Hush Act and the Short Act to go through. Instead, what happened was they reduced the tax stamp to $0 on silencers and short-barreled rifles and short-barreled shotguns. I know everyone says to celebrate little wins when we can get them. That is not a small win in my mind, because it put everything on the table now of the next time a different administration is in office. But the one thing that it does do is it does make at least one legal representation very easy, because it allows one to now, there is no quote tax on these. So it does make the legal justification that called the NFA constitutional no longer have grounds. So it makes it ripe for lawsuits, which the Gun Owners of America has already filed. Gun Owners of America and FPC and Second Amendment Foundation, like as soon as that went through, the printers were going brr and printing out the lawsuit that they filed in federal court. But it is a very real possibility that even with this, what some people are throwing a fit about because they didn't get exactly what they wanted, I'm also not being a cheerleader saying, yay, look at what they did for us. I'm saying it now gives us the possibility of actually seeing major change.
So my take on this, and I will say celebrate the win, because we don't get them. There's a reason we fight everything that the other side tries to do, and because we don't want to give them that inch, because they'll keep taking. Well, we just got an inch back, which means we can keep taking. We moved the football closer to center, or closer to the 50-yard line.